Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on macOS. For Ubuntu installation on macOS you need to download UTM. So for UTM download, this is the link. You need to hit on the link and you need to download and you need to install. And for Ubuntu, this is the link to download the Ubuntu. This is the version you need to download, then you can install. I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download now. So let me go to UTM. Let me open UTM. So this is UTM, and in UTM you need to go to this tab and you need to create a new virtual machine, and then you need to choose the first option, and then here the operating system is Linux, and you need to browse the iOS image, or if you don't download, here is also the downloaded link. You can either click here or you can download the link I have given already. So let me browse. Then this is the Ubuntu iOS image. Let me open it and then let me continue, and here in this page let me increase the CPU 4 and enable hardware and then continue. We need to put the size is around 50 GB, but let me do is 35. Then continue. Shared read only, browse the download directory. Okay, and then continue. You can mention the name Ubuntu and then save it. Here in this page you need to hit to start the VirtualBox and try install. You have to wait for a few minutes here. Let us wait for a few minutes. And the language is English. Okay, done. Then the option is Ubuntu server, yes. And then this is the IP address, done. Then hit enter, yes, enter this. And then here you need to hit enter, continue. You have to put your name, mkd mixture, and then server name mkd mixture, and username mkd. I need to put my password and then done. Okay, install open SSH, yes, I will do it, yes, and then done. I will not install any one of these, then I will simply do done. Then I will wait for the downloading and installation. Let us wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So installation is completed. The most important things you need to remember here, again I say, the most important things: do not reboot the machine. So what you have to do, you have to go to your UTM and shut down this VM. Okay, so let me shut down it, and after that what you need to do, you need to go to your UTM again and then make it minimize, and here in the CD and DVD option you need to clear it. Why you need to clear it? Once you restart, then again it will start to install your iOS image, so it will keep installing again and again. So you need to clear it and then you need to start it. So let us wait for a few minutes. You can say it's starting. Just ignore the error message. You can see MKD mixture. So this is my username and this is my password. Okay, let me log in with root, asking the root password. Yes, I can. Let me check the IP. I think it is 192.168.65.12. Okay, so let me go to the terminal and let me do SSH mkd at 192.168.65.12. Okay, yes. Let me put the password. You can see I can log in this machine from my Mac terminal. This is my Mac terminal. Let me do sudo su and asking the password. Okay, let me do apt update. You can see the internet is there. Okay, so this is how you can install Ubuntu on your Mac, and you can connect the terminal from the Mac also. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.